you saw part 1 of our travel day.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a resident.
And this is where part 1 left off.
Guys, they are doing bounce back offers again. Comment below if you remember or know what a bounce back offer is. Guys, we're not here by ourselves. We have Chelsea and Megan. And Little Squirt. She is like way up there.
Wait, turn around.
She was ducking. Look how beautiful. She got the 100 up there, but more importantly, you got the pumpkins. So we're actually headed over to the Contemporary and Polynesian. We're just waiting for the monorail. 86 degrees, but oh, the breeze feels amazing. So Megan has actually never been to the Polynesian before. It's Maui. She's very excited. Next, we're going to head into the Moana Mercantile. That is such a cute kid area. Some child has lost their pants. Like, seriously, those are pants. Ooh, they had something Riverside didn't have. And that's Mickey. And I see Stitch over here. Look at this stinking adorable outfit. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Ooh, new item. $59.99. Oh my gosh. Love that. Love the lamp, but it's $300. Yep, one of these is definitely coming home with me. Oh my gosh, look what else it does. Look.
And our shopping haul has already been uploaded. It's mine, Lakelyn, and my niece's hauls.
Just stay on one step. We're now at the Contemporary. The Contemporary has tons of Hocus Pocus stuff. Even Hocus Pocus ears. Huh. Do not think I have seen these. Oh, talk about you talk about memories. Oh my gosh, I remember watching that show. Oh, these are so stinking cute. Alrighty, we are all set up to watch the fireworks.
This is the first time that Chelsea, Megan, and Little Squirt have watched the fireworks from a resort. Because Lakelyn was holding her, she had a great time seeing the fireworks because she could see over the railing.
I have a Munchling oven mitt with candy inside. Wow, Clarabelle and Horace, Alice in Wonderland, Winnie the Pooh, and then Robin Hood. Lakelyn's checking out a new hat. Oh, it's like waterproof, like material.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's the what material?
It's like water resistant material.
I wouldn't say it's water
Resistant. Well, this is new and different. So Disney has put in some refillable thermos, jugs, whatever, tumbler stations. So while we wait for the water pageant here at the Contemporary that starts at 10, or should be coming by at 10, we're gonna play cornhole. First round, Megan and Chelsea did pretty well. Did she get it in? All right. Oh, so close. I mean, they're getting them on the board. Mine and Lakeland's turn. So now Chelsea and Lakeland are gonna play pool. Even though the water pageant is getting ready, it's like pulling up right out front right now. I mean, did you guys know you could do all this at the Contemporary?
Okay, I don't know what color that was.
Two different ones.
Straight.
You're a stripe and a solid.
Yeah.
So you get to pick. That one's close. I'd go solid. That one's close.
I would go.
Oh, is that the black ball?
I'd go stripe.
Okay, little squirt there is loving this. Darn, I wish I would have got that on. Chelsea like dropped the pool stick because Lakeland just won. Oh, I thought she almost had that.
Now she's gonna react like her mommy.
I thought she was. I thought she was gonna slam me.
You're so close. You're getting it. You're getting it in the hole. And that's another way to do it.
Winner!
10:48 p.m. Just got off the monorail at Magic Kingdom because we need to go get a bus back to Riverside. Oh my gosh, the pumpkins lit up are awesome. I love them so much. So Megan's gonna take a picture of this family. And on that note, thanks so much for following along today. Subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos from this trip. See you at the parks.
She's naked.
Wow, look at where you get to sleep.
Who is that?
What?
Look, Ray is up there.
Is that Tiana?
Yeah. Isn't that so cool?
Say goodbye.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.